There are more people in the world that have toenails that are outside of the normal range than there are with toenails inside of the normal range. People have issues like thick toenails, pincer nails, impacted and ingrown toenails, and even nail fungus that they can't get help with. So people started traveling from all over the United States to see me for their foot care. We start with soaking the feet in a whirlpool foot bath that contains a foot soap and foot salt to help soften and loosen and disinfect the skin. I also apply a callus remover to the bottom of the foot that soaks in to help dissolve that calloused skin while I work on the toenails. I use all of the tools from my brand, the Meticulous Manicurist line, including the toenail nippers to reduce the length of the toenail, the angled cuticle pusher to push back the adhered skin that is stuck on the nail plate, the ingrown toenail sidewall cleaner, and the ingrown rasp to carefully pull out all of that compacted material from the sides and underneath the toenail. And I also often have to use the electric file to reduce the thickness of the toenails, because when a toenail is too thick, it creates more issues because it hits the top of the shoe and the end of the shoe, and that just creates injury, and it makes the nail grow abnormally.